Hello, people. I have been jingled. Jingled. Don't know what that is? Well, I didn't either. So, a few days ago, I saw this woman leave what looked like a gift on my porch because obviously we have cameras everywhere. And I knew it wasn't Amazon, it wasn't FedEx, UPS, DHL, USPS. It wasn't any of those people. And when I got home, I noticed it really was a gift. So when I looked at the gift, it says, "You've been jingled." Okay? And along with this, it gives instructions that within 2 days, you are to find some gift and treats for 2 other neighbors. And there's a card that I already have on my door that you put on your door so that the rest of the community knows that you have already experienced a jingle so they can bypass your house. And that stays up, I guess, until Christmas. I don't really know. But I thought I had been, or I was done Christmas shopping. So here I am like, oh man, what am I going to get? Because I had already been out in the store, so I knew all of the gift bag type gifts were pretty much gone in the stores. So I came up with a marvelous idea, I think anyway, last night. So I decided to go to Bundt and get their 3-tier, put a red ribbon on it, which they do for you. And then the card is going to say it says Merry Christmas here. Obviously, I haven't looked at it yet. And then it says a gift for you. This bundt cake belongs to, well, we don't know because I don't know who I'm going to deliver it to. I know at least there's a lady on this street who I haven't met yet, so I believe I'm going to go to her house. And then I'm going to switch things up because I can see there's a pattern of people who have that they've been jingled on their door, and it's like in a certain area of our neighborhood. So I'm gonna go ahead and go all the way to the front of the neighborhood because there's a house that is like perfectly decorated for Christmas, and I think they need to be jingled because they deserve it. Now I'm gonna take this "You've Been Jingled" off of my bag because why not? I don't need it anymore. And I'm going to put it on one of these other bags. And then I'm going to take instructions from the back and leave it up here for the next individuals. And then I'll take you all with me to deliver this package. You know, I really hope that I don't look crazy out here like a crazy black woman running around in people's yards. And the sad thing is it's night, although it's literally only about 5:30 or so, but it gets dark really early. So this is the only time that I had to do it. But the fact that they gave me a 2-day deadline, honey, that's just a bit much. It's just a bit much. But anyway, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm getting ready to deliver the first package to someone who is about 3 doors down. I think what I'm going to do though is park ahead of the house, so that way if their cameras spot me, which why wouldn't they, hopefully they won't see me get in the car or get out of the car, because they would probably know who I am since we live on the same street. And what I'm really hoping is that they don't spot me and meet me at the door, because I don't mind jingling somebody tonight, but I don't feel like talking. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Let's try not to be suspicious. The fact that I'm driving with my light on is already suspicious enough. Oh, great. This is what happens when I try something new. I'm gonna have to turn this light out, but their neighbors just went in their garage. Isn't that great? All right, y'all. Let me cut this light out. Okay, I'm gonna park. No, this is like all the way on the wrong side of the street. This is ridiculous, the stuff that I have to do for these neighbors. To tell you the truth. Alrighty. Let's grab one. Let's get out of here. Okay. I think mission number 1 is complete. I mean, I delivered it, of course. But let me tell y'all something. As soon as I got out of this car, it was another car on the other side of the street that parked in front of their house. I mean, I don't know if they were about to do some jingling, but I got out of that car with my bag, and I'm like, I've already picked this house. You jingle somebody else. And they went ahead and pulled off. I mean, I didn't say it to them literally, but okay. All right, so that's number 1. I feel like I should have rung the doorbell, but that would have given me away. It's just too freaking much. You hear me? Too freaking much. I didn't ask for all of this. Okay. Now, the other people are over here. I'm gonna pull up ahead of their house. Sad thing is, these people that I'm picking, like, I don't know if they actually have cameras on their house. It's kind of hard to tell. All right, off to number 2. Okay. Mission is complete. But let me just tell you, I had to run back in my doggone car because that one, when I walked up, it said, "Hi, you are being recorded." But let me get the hell up out of here then. All right, I think we did it.